Hi, another day, another surgery. So now we are done doing, well actually, our training fellow is done doing the done case. No, the done case yung po yung surgery na ginagawa nila bago po sila mag-graduate. So, tinitignan po namin talaga kung kaya po nila yung surgery. No? Dapat magawa nila ng tama. And syempre, dahil nasa cosmetic surgery po tayo, hindi lang tama, dapat maganda. No? So, our training fellow, yung aming pong resident, ang gumawa po is Dr. Seth Villamor from Cebu. No? What can you say, Dr. Seth?
Well, I learned from the best talaga dito sa Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. Eto, na-apply ko yung mga techniques ng mga iba't ibang mentor, mas lalo na kang Boss Tutsu, yung Vasquez.
Okay, ang kanya pong assist is si Dr. Mads Cruz, no, from malayo-layo ang pinanggalingan nito sa Pasig. No, and another assist is Dr. Jason Benipayo. Binayaw pala. Iba pala si Benipayo. Alam mo, ang dami po kasi naming training fellows, no? So, napaghahalo ko yung mga apelido nila. No, they are the future cosmetic surgeons. So, ipapasa po namin sa kanila, ipapasa yung bato, no? Para sila po yung magpapatuloy ng pagtuturo naman sa future, no? So, meron pa po tayong isa na ongoing na another training fellow also doing the procedure. So, later, papakita po natin yan. Another day, another surgery. Hi, we're done with the done case again of Dr. Marley. So, he did his case. Ito yung sabi ko, bago sila mag-graduate, they have to do the surgery. No? So, nagawa niya, no? Ang ganda. No? Ganda ng tip, ganda ng bridge. Tama-tama lang. Natural looking. No? As I've always saying, dapat natural looking, non-surgical ika nga. So, Dr. Marley, no, what can you say?
So, first of all po, thank you po kay Dr. Vasquez ng Vasquez Clinic po for guiding me and for giving me the knowledge and practical skills I need. And of course, to my assist po and my
Yan. Ang assist po natin, si Dr. Trixie Pabian. And Thea Repil. And Dr. Iris Ogario. From Cebu rin. No? Ito, from the States to, si Thea. No? So, ayoko siyang kausapin kasi English speaking. English speaking to, hindi ko kinakausap. Tahimik lang ako pag kasama ko siya. Tahimik lang. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery.